All right, guys, we got a 2022 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. It's cool, it's different. It was really windy last week, so I don't blame him for putting this on. Anyways, so it's an EcoBoost. There's a catalytic converter, 3-inch pipe. Then it wides out into duals. And then he brought a Roush axle back, and we welded it in for him. There and right there. And put him some black 4.5-inch tips to complete the look. Right there and right there. Instead of the axle back Roush tips that come with it, they're chrome. The wheels are black, so it needs black tips. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. As you guys can see, just accents it a lot nicer. Came out really nice, really clean. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Really nice for an EcoBoost. Wow. I like it. Axle back Roush. Got some pops to it. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 95. Not bad. It looks so much better with the black tips. Think of the sound. It's got a rev limiter on it, so we can't rev it higher. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Mustang 22, 1,700 miles, EcoBoost. She's about to pounce.